अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।
Good morning and Jai Hind students. Welcome to our art and craft class. My name is Sushma Verma. As you know, today we have done some craft activity. I hope you love it, craft activity. So that's why I am taking this craft activity. Okay. So our topic is flamingo bird. By using this pink paper. Student, if pink paper is not available in your home, then you can use some newspaper or any colorful magazines also. Okay, but I am going to use this pink paper. Before start doing this activity, I am taking the cutout of this paper in the palm shape, your palm shape. Okay, so let's take a shape of palm. Yes, my drawing is done. After drawing this paper, I'm going to take a cutout of this palm shape. I'm taking two pieces of palm shape, so that's why I'm fold this paper. So my palm is ready. As you are able to see, look it, this is two palm. And one more thing, I'm going to take a cutting of this shape also. This is the neck area, bird's neck. When I'm pasting this paper, you are able to understand. Okay, I'm pasting like this. Okay, so I'm taking the glue and apply the glue on the neck area. Oh shit, don't worry, it happens, sometimes it happens. Okay, paste it slowly. Okay, and then again I'm applying this glue in the palm. Paste. Okay, and paste it here. Look at this. And this one also. There are two birds. Flamingo. Yes, two flamingo bird. Yes, like this. Okay. See, this is also take the cutout of this feather of bird. This is your own choice, you can do or not. But when you are doing this work, it is look much more beautiful. Okay, so that's why I am doing this. Now it's time to make a beak. Give the extra touch up. This is the bird's beak, and okay, now it's time to make a leg.